Yeah, they look messy, but it's organized. Yes.
I can brush softly. You know, I'm just gonna get it flat.
Brush them out to the boldness.
No,
We don't need
I need
this.
more hat.
We don't need this. So for this, I think we will. Okay, let's do this shot. Move slightly this way, just like the feet, 1 centimeter. Yes, that's
Right,
that's enough.
right.
That's enough.
Okay.
That's enough. You did it. You just did it. Mm-hmm. Okay, nose down. Okay, give me that. Yes, I like this. I like this like laser beam look. This is very nice. And white on white looks gorgeous. Don't move. I will show you later. So maybe I need. Yes. Is it better? Maybe. I'm adjusting the light. So don't you show me?
I try not to.
Okay, and now let's feather it a little bit less. Let's see what we get. This. Okay, turn your body just a little bit this way. Yes. Hands down, or just grab yourself. No, narrower. I wonder. Yeah, your shoulder goes straight down like that. Yes. You don't have to smile if you don't want to, but if I were you, I would, I would want it to.
If you wear me well, you will not smile.
I wish you could.
Be honest, I like honest people, so it's fine. I don't take personal.
You told me you like people. I like. You can like hate people for couple percent. No, not scare people, but hate just slightly, just being tired of people. And move your nose down just a little bit. No, don't hate. Cancel it. Let's go back. Love them again. Yes, please. Aristocratic. Relax your lips. Open your mouth and close your mouth. And close it. Yes, like this. Tilt your head slightly this way. No, the opposite way. Yeah. Tiny hint of the smile. Just, especially on the right corner. Yeah, like this. Nose down, couple millimeters. Yeah. Yes. I know it's difficult. I've been there a couple of times. Can't say I didn't like it. This is very nice. Let's do one more. Because we found out your angle, we found out like your everything, your attitude and stuff like that. And now we just
Try to keep my eyes more open, but it's
try to keep your eyes open.
Yeah, I keep them small. I have consensus device myself.
No, your eyes totally fine. Everything is fine. There's nothing
I forgot to bring.
nothing wrong with your eyes. What?
I forgot to bring. It would be nice, interesting, because I wear glasses as well sometimes. Yeah.
Glasses?
But,
Sunglasses.
No glasses, but the photos. Yeah, I wear contact lenses.
No, we don't need glasses. Not today. That's too complicated. Glasses. Yeah. You look like an actress. I will show you her just in a minute. Like a younger version of her. Okay, come here. I will show you what I got. It's pretty. Okay, that's great. I like Anfas here. Yeah, that's gorgeous. It's a bit darker. See, tense
Yeah, my
lips.
lips. Yeah.
Trying to do something with them. That's why I asked you to open it and close it, like to relax them. And this is also creates some sad look, although your left eye, it's smaller and it's on the dark side, but it's my fault. I moved, so did something wrong with the light, so this part is darker than this one.
I still like that photo.
Fix it later? I hope so, maybe not. Okay, not enough teeth on my taste. It's gotta be either closed or there is some teeth, but your lip, no, it's just a structure that it put this way. You can't feel it, you can't see it, so it's all on me. Now it's much better.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, eyes closed, eyes opened. Have all the options. Not enough. See, that's surprised look. Oh, that's great. Even I don't even mind these lips, but this one is even better, so we don't need this one. So
Yeah, this is better. This is